All right, guys, welcome back to Reaction Points. And by the way, I appreciate the feedback, the comments. You guys are loving this stuff, so keep that coming. And one question I had is, does this work on other markets, or can this concept be applied to other markets, such as gold that we're looking at here, euro currency, oil, bonds? The answer is 100% yes. NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, whatever it is you trade, 100% yes. And the question specifically was in regards to gold. So I want to show you the opportunity here in gold on Friday. Absolutely killer monster-like moves here, and this can 100% be done for you or by you. And before we get into the analysis, I want to remind everybody that we are taking applications for those that want to be coached and mentored on not just this methodology, but our entire basket of methodologies, all the way from intraday trading to swing trading to position trading, trading stocks, futures, options, whatever it is. We will dial you in and get you funded if that is your goal and objective. So what I want to do here is break down gold, and we're going to do the exact same thing like we did on the S&P. Now, you'll see that we've got the three core sessions boxed out. We've got blue, which is Asia. We've got Europe, which is, or we've got the peach or coral or orange. I need to just decide on a color. Europe, and then we have green in, which is New York, okay? So wherever you start your trading day, if you do trade the European session, you're going to look for these same liquidity points or reaction points in the European session, but your reference point is going to be looking back to Asia and then keeping the other levels in mind. Now, for most of us, me specifically, and a lot of you guys that are watching, are going to be trading New York, maybe pre-New York, maybe the opening first hour or two of the day, or perhaps even in the afternoon. So we look at gold here. We know that our first kind of reference point is looking to take out either Asia or Europe highs or Asia and Europe lows. So market was grinding higher. You can see that we took out the Asia highs right here in Europe. And then as we drifted into pre-New York right here, we were contained in a range. We immediately flushed down, and we came down to these lows right here, or these levels right here. These levels were the prior day close and the new day open. So if you didn't have these levels on your chart, you'd say, well, why did the market react right here at this area? Well, it's because we came down to the prior day close and we had a reaction. Now, as we traded to the upside, we had the European highs right here, European highs, and that is our next area or reaction point where we're expecting a reaction, and we most certainly did. Now, we got an initial reaction, and then we traded higher, so now that you can kind of see the forest of the trees, we'll blow it up, and I'm going to show you your entry opportunity. So looking down here, we had two divergent signals, okay, two divergent signals. We had a 3S code. What we also had was what we call a break in structure. So we're tracking these swings to new highs, and then all of a sudden we get a flush down here, and then the market retraces back here and fills that area. Also, again, right here, it gives you opportunities to take it back down to the New York open and then back to prior day close. Every time the market comes back down to one of these levels or up to one of these levels, it is a tradable opportunity. Now, you can pretty much be done here moving 40, 30, all the way down to $39.90. That is $40 or $4,000 on a full contract with very, very tight risk. Now, our next key entry opportunity could have been here. Divergent signals coming back down at the prior day close. And then yet once again, divergent signal, prior day close, bullish reversal candles, and our 3S code. That gets us long new entries at $39.95 up to $40.08. Back again, $39.94, $39.95, back to $40.10. Guys, that's another $15 or $1,500 a single contract. You should be done, close the platform for the day. So that's the opportunities in gold on Friday. Some days will be larger, some days will be smaller, but bottom line, there are opportunities every single day. Now, if you want personal guidance, mentoring, coaching from me. And if you want to get funded, if that is something that you desire or one of your goals in 2025 and beyond, reach out to me, book a call. We'll break down everything and how to get started and how it works. And I can't wait to see you on the inside.